Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money in Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Send, then you can send the money to recent recipient or send to a new recipient. Select one of those. Make sure you give the perfect details asked by the app. For example, name of the recipient, phone number, your phone number, your card details, their apartment and street details, and yours. Well, once you do all of that, you're gonna have to add your payment method. And guys, that's it. That's how you send money on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.